Today, we're going to talk about the Lender tab in the Admin Controls section of Arive. Let's jump into it. Now, here on the Lender tab, you're going to notice that you get a secondary sidebar to the right of the existing tabs. And this has your lenders. Up at the top, you're going to see approved lenders. These mean lenders that are already integrated and turned on for your org. Below that, you're going to see lenders in Marketplace. These are lenders that you can turn on and that already have some level of integration into Arive. Below that, you get into Manual. What this is these are lenders that you can manually add in and make them available to your loan officers. You're going to see that there are toggles next to many of these that allows you to turn them on and off for the individual branch of which you are in. Keep in mind, you can enable some lenders in one branch and not have them enabled in the other. However, there is not currently a way to disable a lender across all branches all at once. You'll have to go in and audit each branch to see which one has what lenders turned on and off. Current limitation of the system as of the time of recording this. But there are some shared elements for it. With the integrated lenders, these are lenders that will show up under Approved and Marketplace. You have 4 tabs on the top. Compensation is going to be your compensation rules engine. This allows you to create rules that adjust the calculation of compensation on that file. Fees, in a similar vein, allows you to add rules about adding and calculating fees based on certain conditional criteria within the file. Mortgagee clause allows you to add rules about what mortgagee will be used in what scenario. And lender contact is an interesting one. This is a place where you can put your account executive or other contact information into the file. However, it's mostly not used in the system. Currently, it acts primarily as a placeholder. You can reference some lender contact info using merge tags in other parts of the system, but currently there's not any way to really execute on the information in this tab. Now, if we go to the manual lenders, here's where you're going to get some additional options. If you click the plus button, you'll be able to start your new manual entry, adding in the lender's name and the lender's MNLS number. From there, things start to really expand, and you'll notice you have some additional tabs on top. In addition to the ones that you already had about compensation and fees, you're going to see a new tab called Products. By default, all possible products are enabled for this new manual lender when you add them on. What you'll have to do is use the search and filter tools to find any products that don't apply and disable them for that manual lender. You'll also have to go in manually to each one and tweak it as necessary to adjust these products to fit the actual products of the lender that you are adding in. Keep in mind that this will show up immediately in the product and pricing screen when pricing loans as soon as you turn it on. So if you are going to be making significant changes to this, or you have concerns about those controls, either considering doing this in the middle of the night when people aren't originating, or using an automation rule to temporarily block it while you are setting up this while you are setting up this lender. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you rely on these videos to stay up to date, consider supporting the channel using the link down in the description. See you next time.